world felt way too big. Every door seemed locked, couldn't find the key. 13 years old with a heavy heart, wondering if I'd ever be free. Mama said, baby, this too shall pass. But the mirror showed a stranger's face. Now I'm looking back at who I was. Time has such a funny way. All those tears I cried alone led me to where I call home. These growing pains that made me strong taught me how to carry on. Every scar became a song. Every fall helped me belong to this life I'm living now. Made it through, I don't know how. But these growing pains, yeah, these growing pains. 18 felt like standing on a cliff. College bound but scared to take the leap. Friends were changing, nothing felt the same. Lost in choices, running way too deep. Daddy called and said you'll find your way, but the road ahead looked dark and long. Now I see the struggles paved the path to everything that made me strong. All those nights I felt alone built the woman I call home. These growing pains that made me strong taught me how to carry on. Every scar became a song. Every fall helped me belong to this life I'm living now. Made it through, I don't know how. These growing pains, yeah, these growing pains. Growing pains that made me strong taught me how to sing my song. Every break helped me belong to this beautiful unknown. In this life I'm living now, made it through, still don't know how. But these growing pains, yeah, these growing pains, they're not really pains at all. They're just love.